Hey guys, Tech from Teckdriven, and today I'm going to show you how to reset BIOS password on a HP Pavilion 23. This is all-in-one computer without a touchscreen. The customer brought it in, and of course, didn't give me any passwords. So I'm not sure if he knows it or he just didn't forget to mention. But anyways, I need to get this computer up and running really fast, and I need to get into BIOS. So first thing you want to do is place the computer face down, and so we can get to the back. Make sure it's up first. Alright, so I'm facing, this is the bottom of the computer top. So there's a few screws you need to take care of. There's one here in the corner. First one you gotta do. Second one, this one right here on this corner. Then you can start working on those and on the other sides, and there's one in the middle. Those need to get done. Once you start popping those, you notice the case was gonna start coming up. So once that is done, start prying it from this side and this side all the way to the back. So from the bottom to the top, and it should just come up. Hey, once you get the cover off, this is what you're gonna see. This is a good time to dust it. Dust all the dust out of it. You know, that's what I always do. Always dust the customer's computers off. It always helps. So just keep on a comment. Anytime you open a computer, might as well just dust it out. So to get to the password, we're gonna look for here. This is our chamber for our RAM memory, and it should just pop up like this. Also forgot to mention, make sure nothing is plugged into any of the USB ports, because it will be in the way. So this is our RAM sticks, and this right here is where our CMOS and power. See that? CMOS power right here, right here. So it should be set in the 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So to reset it, we're gonna take that jumper out and put it in the back. At this time, you want to connect it back to the power. Connect power, and let's see. Is our power switch right here, and we want to run it. This will clear our CMOS. You want to give it a few seconds until it powers on. Alright, now that it's running, I'm gonna connect my USB so I can connect the keyboard and mouse to it, and I'm gonna flip it back up. Let me pull this off. For this I'm gonna have to put my phone away, but what you want to do is just shut it down properly. Alright, once it powers off, make sure you power on. And if you don't have the discharging wristband, make sure you touch the chassis first so you don't damage any of the RAM sticks. That always happens. So once it's done and powers off, put the jumper back in its position. I should be using pliers for this. Where are my pliers? Alright, I got my pliers. Makes the job a lot easier. Oh, wrong slot again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Boom, done. So before you assemble it, just run it and make sure you get the BIOS password has been reset before you start putting all the screws together. That way, if you have to do it again for any reason, might as well. But let's go check it out. Alright, so let's see. The computer's powering on. I'm pressing escape, escape, escape. I want to press escape to run into BIOS. Default BIOS have been loaded. System setup. Boom. No password. All done. Now we can shut it down and assemble it, put it back together, and fix out this damn computer. Thank you.